So I've got the latest version of the MADFUT 23 mode APK installed on my device, on my iPhone, and with this mode APK you can get more packs or coins for free. So MADFUT 23 mode APK is on my iPhone, and in this video I will show you how this mode works. So to add more coins I need to click on that little icon, and each click will give me 1 million of coins. So let's check it, and it just works. I can get a lot of coins with this mode, and for the packs I need to click on that little icon to add more packs, and each click should give me a 10k of the packs. So let's check it. Sorry, 1k, and I can keep clicking to get more and more packs for free. So yes, this is the easiest way to add more packs or coins for the MADFUT 23 with this mode APK edition. So how to get this mode? This mode is working for any Android and iOS devices, and I've got it from the bluedeals.club, as you can see right here on the watermark. So if you want to get it, you should go to your browser and go to the bluedeals.club, go to here and find the MADFUT 23 mode APK and select your platform, Android or iOS. So I have here an iPhone, so I will click iOS, and the downloading will be started for me this way. But for now I don't need to download it again because I already have the MADFUT 23 mode APK installed on my device. And if you guys have any troubles with downloading, you can check the how to download video tutorial. It will help you to download any game or app from this bluedeals.club. So yes, this is the easiest way to get more packs or coins for the MADFUT 23 game with the mode APK. So that will be end of this video. So thanks for staying with me till the end of this video, and have a nice day.